Question tags. Grammar explanation. We can add question tags like isn't it, can you, or didn't they to a statement to make it into a question. Question tags are more common in speaking than writing. We often use question tags when we expect the listener to agree with our statement. In this case, when the statement is positive, we use a negative question tag. For example, she is a doctor, isn't she? You can see here it's negative tag. Yesterday was so much fun, wasn't it? If the statement is negative, we use a positive question tag. Here is example. He isn't here. Is he? Is he is positive tag. The trains are never on time. Are they? Are they is positive tag. Nobody has called for me. Have they? Have they is positive tag. So question tags, positive statement plus negative question tag. Like you are afraid, aren't you? And for negative statement plus positive question tag, it goes opposite. Like you aren't afraid, are you? So once again, let's repeat. Positive statement, the question tag is in negative form. If the statement is negative, question tag is in positive form. Let's explore more question tags. Like am I, don't you, will you, is it, were they, does he, isn't there, doesn't she, can't they, did he, have you, won't they, aren't they, hasn't she, aren't you, didn't he, was she, can you, shall we. So we can use these type of form, all question tags. Here among these all tags, we can find different types of tags. These are some in a negative form like aren't and haven't, doesn't, isn't. These negative forms we will use with the positive statement. With positive statement, we will use negative question tags, and if the statement is negative, then we will take the positive question tags like was she, can you, shall we, will you, were they, did he. These are all positive question tags which we can use with a negative statement. And again, let's repeat that question tags are common in speaking, and why we use the question tags when we expect the listener to agree with our statement. We expect the listener to agree with our statement. So we can use positive and negative form according to the form of statement. If the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. If the statement is negative, then the question tag is positive.